This is Len Alter with Kamweld's Welding Tip of the Week. One extremely important consideration when you're choosing a plastic material for your corrosion-resistant vessels, ductwork, etc., you may find that PVC, for example, is okay with sulfuric acid. You might find PVC, for example, is okay with hydrochloric acid. You'll therefore build a vessel that both of them will go in. Guess what? And a lot of times they fail. We're talking, folks, Buster Brown, we're talking mixtures here. Check with the sheet manufacturer, get their results. Thank you and good night.